welcome, Gilly Kube. Coming to you today with a bubble wrap dip. So you don't ever throw away your bubble wrap that you may get things wrapped in when they come to you delivered. Always keep them for your art. It's always good fun. Just adds a little bit of a textured effect it just adds a little bit of something when I do a bubble wrap dip on with the bubble wrap. So keep it, and this is what I've done. I've laid my piece down that's the size of my canvas. I added a little bit of tape in each corner just to keep the bubble wrap from lifting when I pull it up. I bought this morning when I was shopping, and it's a fabric conditioner, but I just love the colours, so I was inspired by these colours. I might add some other things to it, but if not, I might mix up some paints that's just going to be these beautiful colours. And then it's got butterfly in it, it's got balloon kisses in it. Well, they're my interpretation of balloon kisses. So first off, another cursed canvas. It's a bit rough, but I am going to use it. So what I'll do first off is, I'm going to coat the base of it with this purple colour. Just a light coating so it covers up all these little indiscretions I have going on here. Wow, that's so nice. I'm not really a purple lover. I love purple in the colour of things, but I don't wear purple, so, and my hair's not the purple yet. So, but that looks beautiful, and I know I just absolutely love my berry delicious colour, and that's what this is. This is a custom colour I make up out of the deep red, phthalo blue, and a blob of black if you want it to go darker, like a real aubergine or cherry, dark cherry, black cherry do they call it? This one is more purpley, so I obviously haven't put so much black into that, but that is the base that's covered up all of those little idiosyncrasies there. Yes, I will just mark that, because it's always good to mark it so you're not you're only putting paint where you're going to put your canvas instead of me going further over. So that's where I'm going to put the paint. Purple People Eater. And let's get this show on the road. So very excited about this. I am going to put, I'm going to leave some negative space to that, so it might have been a good idea that I do a second coat on that. But I've got some white left over here, and what I'll do is I will do my chevrons here, there and everywhere. So just a V pattern, a chevron is. It just seems to put a really nice effect in the dips. So, thatty one. Rightio, now for that lovely champagne gold going in here. Put some twizzles. This is another custom colour I make out of 50% gold. It's not coming out real good. 50% metallic gold, 50% silver. So these are always quite fun to do. They're very good to do as a beginner's pour, because they give you lots of encouragement when you see how nice they come out, to continue on with this rewarding and fun art. You can do it with your family, your friends, or children. Now I'm going to put some red in here because it will really make it pop your socks off. So again, I'll do my chevron-y things, like a loose kind of chevron. Maybe keeping it minimal colours is the go, isn't it, here? I have got other colours here, but I think that I'm going to just leave it at that. I have got some more of this one has got a little bit darker, as you see. I mixed this with some black in it, so it's still my Berry Delicious, but it's got a bit more black, so it sends it like a real deep. It is better that you have, when you're doing these dips, to have the paint quite thick, on the thicker side. Instead of if the paint's thin, it will actually send your whole piece muddy when you lift up the canvas. So I'm going to put some more gold in here, or my champagne gold. I think against that red and purple, it's really going to pop. What's going on? I think I need to remake all of my paints back up that I've got in those containers, because they're all getting a bit playing up on me. Okay, very simple colours, very simple pimple. Just might put a bit more on here, just so as it makes sure it covers the canvas and not it's sticking. So I'm just gonna quickly go back over that again, just so I've got lots of paint on the actual canvas as well. Remembering that I did do a pour that had silicone in it, but never mind, here we go. Let's do this thing right. Put it on my markers, thereabout. Look at the mess of it. So I definitely could not sell this canvas because it is messy. I have not taped to the back. Well, I did have the back taped actually, but I've used it 3 or 4 times now, and it is just looking a wreck of Esperus. Right, so just press down on that nice bubble wrap, and hopefully it will help achieve some really nice textured effects in the paint. And let's hope that it saves this yucky canvas. I could paint the bottom of the canvas, but look at it, it's a real mess. So if these colours turn out really nice, then it'll definitely be worthy of me getting a nice gallery wrap canvas and redoing the whole thing again, if the colours are beautiful, which I'm pretty sure there will be. So fingers crossed, people. Now this is the exciting bit for me, and I guess you guys, because I'm going to pull it towards me. So hold on to your knickers. Oh, jeez Louise, oh my goodness, look at that. Wow. I can see the textured effect from that is beautiful, colours, stunning. I think next time I want to go even more, just the gold, purple and pink maybe. But that is stunning, stunning, stunning. And as I always like to do in these little I'll move it forward. That's beautiful. I'll just use some of the paint I've got underneath still to do in an area that, if there's any paint that hasn't been, hasn't touched the canvas, then you can do a little balloon kiss, which is just nice to have, just a little few anyway, because my signature thing is my balloon kissing. So, but that is you beaut, super duper. How easy is that? If you haven't done this acrylic pouring art before, this is a super duper easy technique for you to start. Then once you've done it and you see these results, you will become addicted. Rightio, that is gorgeous. Now, the crappy canvas that it's on does not do that justice. That's Field of Dreams. Wow, wow. Love it, love it. What do you guys think? I hope you like it too. It's a bit of a... I might come down and give you a close-up on it. Oh my goodness, look at the colours. Absolutely stunning. When they dry, and even with a gloss coat or a resin coat, wow, they are going to be beautiful. If you're only a beginner and you want to learn how to mix paints and your acrylic paint into a fluid, like to make a fluid art, go to my playlist in the main channel, press on the Gilly Kube, go to the main channel, you'll see videos or playlists, and then click on the beginners playlist, and there I've got all manner of beginners videos, instruction, so you can have a go at this very rewarding and fun activity. It's definitely a depression booster. No, it doesn't boost your depression. What's I'm trying to say? Helps with it. Helps you feel good. So there you go. That's lovely. Thank you so much for joining me. Please take care, and I will be back tomorrow for some more art inspiration. But now I want to mix those colours, just the gold and the purple, maybe silver. Bye for now.